We're gonna get to hear the sound of a meteor hitting Mars. NASA's InSight lander captured the bloop sound of a meteor falling to Mars. And we get to hear it. We get to hear it. Are you guys ready for it? I'm going to give you a chance to turn up the volume. I'm going to turn off the music here. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready for the bloop? Oh, that really was a bloop. That really was a bloop. That's fucking cool. It hits the atmosphere, explodes, and pieces hit the ground. It does. It sounds like it's from a 90s arcade game. This is fucking cool as hell. Why did I'm assuming it has something to do with gravity, why it makes that noise. Instead of like a thump. Like, I've heard like a heartbeat before, and like it's more of like a at the end, isn't it? Dustin, it might not even be a microphone. When they did the like the sound of a black hole, it was like them. Somehow they added sound to the waveform pattern or whatever. Like, I don't even know how they do this shit. I should know. I'm a audio engineer. Why wouldn't I know this shit? I have no fucking clue how NASA does this shit. But it's kind of like, you know, when they show us pictures of things and like, it doesn't actually look like that. They've had to like color in the spectrum because we can't actually see what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? That kind of thing. They might not have, like, they're putting some kind of sound to whatever wavelength they've got. See, it says the data from this seismograph. But I also a microphone? I'm going to link you guys to this video in case you want to go and listen to it again. Now I owe you guys some kind of animal video. I gotta go to the Discord and pull one. Yeah, this looks good. Guess it's not. Okay, this one's good. This is good shit. This is a otter and a duck. Or is it a seal and a duck? Oh, it's a capybara. Oh, it's one of those thingies. And a duck. In the capybara or whatever the fuck it's called. It's playing dead, so the duck will leave it alone. It's playing possum. Am I saying it, Report? Can you give me a, by the way, I love your face. I don't know if I ever told you, good evening. I might have. I'm just stoned. Can you give me a phonetical pronunciation? Capybara? I mean, I guess I could look it up myself, couldn't I? Not like I don't have the internet in front of me. What an idiot I am.
Capybara.
Capybara. Capybara. I was saying it right if you're allowing for my Appalachian accent, I guess. If you allow for the hillbilliness to come through. Which I'm not ashamed of my accent. I'm not.
Guys, I hope it's okay. I hope this boss fight will be okay.
It is totally okay. Let's see where we're going. We're gonna go hang out with Squid. That's what we doing. Because Squid is good people. And I don't know when Meteor Winch comes back on with her Meltdown Monday. Oh yeah, she's got a different schedule now. That's right. I don't know when Meltdown Monday is coming back, unfortunately. But I'll be back tomorrow with the Troll Patrol. Go ahead, light one up, tip one back. It's alright to have a little fun before you hit the sack. I'm Justin Freakin. We will see you tomorrow night on the Troll Patrol. Live.